drive handheld communication device.
Well, that's all today. And how much is that?
Right now there's about 18 there.
Come on, pick up the sword, pick it up, 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 pick it up. Come on, pick up the sword, pick it up, onto the phone, onto the phone, onto the phone, will you please? Answer the phone. Pick up the phone. Come on, pick up the phone, pick it up.
Done.
People pray on the air 55.
Go ahead for Beaupre.
Okay, when you scan the license through the card reader, and that information will stay on there for 3 years from the date of conviction.
Sergeant Jack West, I'm with the 54 Division Traffic Office. Today we're out here, Don Mills and Overlea. This is a highly populated pedestrian traffic zone. We had 3 schools in the area. So today we're concentrating on distracted drivers. We're obviously focusing in on cell phone users. This takes your mind away from the responsibilities of driving. You don't scan far ahead when you're driving, when you're concentrating on the phone. So it's important. We have to make sure that we take charge rather than the cell phone taking charge of us. So when you leave the house in the morning, groom yourself there. When you get in the car and you don't have hands-free, shut the phone down. This is why we have voicemail. And when you get to your destination, you can answer or get back to the caller from your cell phone at a later time. It's safer. While you're driving the car and you're talking on a phone, you're not focusing 100% on your responsibilities as a driver. If you're stopped by the police, it's a $125 fine. There are no points, but your insurance company will make made aware of this. So it's important that you take charge of the cell phone legislation. While you're distracted, many things can happen. It's a very sad day when you hit a 12-year-old on a bicycle because you've been focusing in on your conversation, and the police have to go to the family and tell them that their child has been killed by a driver who's been talking on the cell phone. One of the biggest events that's taking place is rear ends. When we collide in front of the vehicles ahead of us, that's the biggest accident-related situation involving a cell phone user to date. So pay attention, plan your route, and stay off the cell phone. Now, we talk about distractions. The cell phone can be a useful tool. There are exemptions. You can call 911 emergency, or pull off the road, find a safe location, and have your conversation there. Those are the 2 exemptions. Even when you come up to a red light and you're stopped, you cannot have the cell phone in your hand. You'll be focusing in on your conversation, the light will turn green, and a lot of drivers just stay stationary and they're tying up traffic. On the 400 series highways, you're not allowed to stop on those highways unless it's an emergency situation. So in those cases, it's best to drive off a ramp, go to a safe location, and have your conversation.